So the day 3 starts from Kaikoura. നമ്മൾ മോർണിംഗ് ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിച്ച് നേരെ പോയത് കൈക്കുറ വെയിൽ വാച്ചിങ് ഏരിയയിലേക്കാണ്. അവിടെ നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി ഫ്ലൈറ്റ്സ് ബുക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു വെയിൽ വാച്ചിങ്ങിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. This will be our flight for the day.
We've just been having a few starting issues with this plane, so it might take us a few goes, but once it's going, it's all good. That's good, guys.
So cool. It was amazing. Superb. I saw a whale. It was so huge. And it was spraying water.
Yeah.
Every 10 seconds it was spraying. Today's special is ta-da! Maggie, but in a different place. It is in Kaikoura. Woohoo! We are making tea now.
Oh, it also coming with it.
Nope.
Me also.
Oh, every time you only eat take.
come up. Hi.
You're wired for sound. Alright folks, welcome aboard. Okay, my name's Brendan. What we're going to do is head down through the gorge. A couple of rules, just to remain seated, okay, no standing up. Generally keep your arms inside the boat, but the important one, you're going to see this signal. This means we're going to throw the boat in the wee spin. So when you see that, hands on the handrails, feet into the footwells, hold on really tight. Yeah. If you're wearing glasses, really good. Don't turn around to look behind you when the boat's moving, or the person behind you is going to be wearing them. Alright? Keep looking forward, you're going to be fine. Other than that, sit back and relax. By a couple of Toyota V8s.
Oh.
They're both pushing the water through 104mm holes at the rate of 380 litres per second each.
Oh.
We are pushing that water though into the mid-air, not back in the river, which is giving us that push forward. The ones we're moving, only sitting in the water a couple of inches, so a good 4 to 6 inches is all we need. Alright? Any questions? None? Carry on. Okay?
Yeah.
Kaikoura had its earthquake just under 6 years ago. This is one of the fault lines that helped them out. You can see a split between the two rocks and a fossil sediment line that was horizontal once. It's been pushed up to about 60 or 70 degrees. Now if you've got some imagination, the smaller rock on the right hand side there looking downstream sort of looks like a dog's head. If you can see that, you might see its right hand front fork just curved around the centre. Now this is the YR fault line. When you go back over the ferry bridge, you go around the hairpin directly after, that is the Hope fault line. When you head into Hanmer Springs, you go from the single avenue, twin avenues, it's about Leamington Street, that is the Hanmer fault line. So I've got three really close. All good?
all good to follow through, or do you want me to wait?